up, Dirty Gang? It is your girl Dirty here, back at it again with another video. For today's video, hit that. Whoa, I will be showing y'all how I do my knotless box braids. I decided to put a protective style in my hair because it was time for it, okay? So I do have a tutorial of me doing like box braids for the first time. So if y'all want to see like that experience until now, we do have improvement, okay? We love to see it. Also, I am recording a reel as well. It probably will be posted on my Instagram. I don't know when, maybe before I post this video so I can promote it. So y'all stay tuned for the reel. And just know I'm gonna come with some content, y'all. I'm gonna record some videos, so y'all let me know what y'all want to see from little old Darty, and I got you, okay? So first, I'm gonna let y'all know everything that you would need for this video. So I went to the hair store like a few days ago, and I'm gonna show y'all the hair that I used. This is the hair that I used from last time as well. Hold up, I gotta get the other color. I don't care. Okay, so I used the color 4, and this is the brand that I like to use. This is pre-stretched hair. That means it's already stretched, and it is 30 inches, okay? I usually get like 27, but I was like, I kind of want them down to my butt. Like, I want to be grown. So they were $4.99. They were $4.99 this time. Also, I did get a little color. Y'all know the color 30 is my favorite. So this is SM1B and 30. So y'all can see the color right there. Y'all let me know what hair that y'all like to use so I can try something new. And yeah. And I got 4 packs of the color 4 and 2 packs of the 30. Also, you would need a crochet hook. You can get this from your local beauty supply store as well, or online, whatever you prefer. Then after like I'm done with my braids, I will be putting, you know, oil on my scalp, and I will be putting mousse at the top so everything can lay flat. And let's just get this show on the road, okay? So last night I did already, you know, part my hair and everything like that. I'm gonna let y'all know right now, my parts, they're okay. They not all of that. I'm gonna kind of turn around so y'all can see. And I'm gonna link the video that helped me to part my hair the best that I could, because I don't have the right mirrors. If I had the right mirrors, I'll be straight. And plus, this take a long time. So for my braiding process, it do take 2 days. Because I can't do everything in one day. That is stressful. So got them in these little bun buns right now. And I'm going to start with the front of my head. I normally do the back, but since the purpose of this video, we're going to do the front. So let me take down one so y'all can see. It look crazy. But honestly, y'all, this is probably the best my parts didn't look. My hair feel very, very soft. And yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see me. So I also did get accessories. Like I said, I got these cute little butterflies that, y'all, look at it. Shining, 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 yeah. So I can't wait to put these in my hair. I'm so excited. This how the hair looks just out the pack. Y'all see it, okay? This is the color 4. I usually get the color 4 because my hair is it's a dark brown. So this is what it looks. Y'all, my bun buns look crazy in my head right now. But y'all see it. I like the hair. It's really, really soft, and it goes good. And when you dip in the ends. So it come all the way down there. Y'all see me. Stop playing with me. Put some respect on my name. Yeah. So y'all, what I usually do is just eyeball it. I usually do like the width of,
is this even the width? Y'all know what I mean. Of my.
And I simply lose control. So just lay down.
So now you're gonna take your crochet needle, crochet hook, and just put it through. Hold up. So this is how the part look. The part look crazy, but don't worry about it. You just put it through the middle like that. And then you can, honestly, you can really like do like that. It don't really have to be in the middle. And just hook it on. Make sure all the hair is on. And then close it. And then just pull it through. You feel me? Pull it through. And then it's gonna look like that. So like this. So you pull it through. Make sure everything is even for you. And what I do is just like to tighten up it a little bit so it can be nice and tight. And I don't know how to like teach y'all how to braid, but I do my right, then I cross over the left, then the middle. So that's what I do. Right, left, middle. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but y'all can see what I'm doing. And if y'all watched my first video, y'all already know how I did it the first time. So you do it like that. And then when I get to the middle of like, well, the end of my real hair, I just take a little piece from each side. Like that. Just a little piece to, you know, create the third piece. And then I just continue to braid my hair. Make sure everything is even. Make sure it don't look too crazy. If it do look crazy, please redo your braid. So then I'm gonna just do it all the way down. I'm gonna let y'all know I'm not a professional, but this is what works for me. And I try to keep my braid as tight as I can because I am very heavy-handed. So yeah, you can just braid it. It probably, yeah, that's where I added the hair, so it look a little crazy right there. But y'all can see it doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna just continue braiding, and I'm gonna speed up. And if you see like your middle piece getting thin, you can just do what I did when I was adding my natural hair into it. You just do it like that. Make sure you braid all the way down. Okay, I am done with the first braid. So since I do got like this little hump right here, I probably would just put one of the jewels right there so it can cover it. And make sure y'all try your best to cover the rubber band. Oh yeah, I am using a rubber band method. I didn't even say that. That's ghetto. That I did not let y'all know because that what works for me. So yeah, we about to, I'm gonna do another one on camera so y'all can see how I did it. And yeah, y'all, my braiding game low-key is low-key like that, you feel me? Period. That girl finna be cute. Stop playing with her, okay? Stop, really. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. It's like 7 o'clock and I'm just getting finished with my hair. Usually, y'all, this process does take me a little minute because it's only like my 4th or 5th time doing this. So yeah, I just want to show y'all how my hair looks. Okay, so this is how the ends look. I'm about to go dip them really quick and, you know, put the oil, the mousse, put on my little hair accessories, and then we're gonna be all done. So I really like how they came out so far. You feel me? Y'all see the color? You know, I didn't want to do too much color, and yeah, it looked really, really cute. Like they jumbo how I wanted them. And y'all already know I don't do edges, but I'm gonna just gel it back a little bit and call it a day. So I will be back after I'm done dipping my ends. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I'm finally done with my hair. So I'm gonna show y'all how the ends look. They look pretty good, to be honest. It's probably the best I have done my hair so far. And a little tip, when you dip in your ends, do them in smaller sections. I didn't know that at first until I YouTubed it, because I was doing like half and half and that wasn't working. So they definitely look better. So y'all, let me know if y'all want to see more hair videos. Comment down below what y'all would like to see next from your girl. Okay, we on the road to 3K. If you didn't know, now you know. So that wraps up today's video. Make sure you follow my Instagram at Life with Darty. I'm trying to hit 1K on the gram, so y'all go and tap in, go be active on the post. Okay, and if you've made it this far to the video, why you ain't subscribed yet? I'm confused. Why you at it? You might as well like, comment, okay, and turn on your post notifications notify when I post a video. And remember to live your best life. And I'm out. Peace.